The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall. You should work me if you don't know your rights. Now arrest and charge you, step up on the vehicle. What you are doing, I'm sorry. Go and read the funny. Miss, go and read the funny. If you don't know what you're for, if you don't know the law, go and read the funny. You know what, that's what I want to relate to you. No.
What do you have in the bag, miss? What do you have in the bag?
My bag, see that?
Wait.
Coach, you are cutting officer. You know what?
Hold on, miss.
Don't fall in the position that this young lady is.
Coach, you are cutting.
My two son of yard, a uniform them wear like you.
Thank you.
I'll plot one of one of my yard. Three police live in my yard.
Thank you for your
my
cooperation.
Two son of whatever. My two son of
See in your bag, puppy. Wait, puppy.
Your piece up. I'm not police now, touch you and search you, but you can check your back.
Let me see your bag.
You just talk and talk and don't move. Don't stay where you are.
Stay where they are.
Stay where you are.
This is see there? I got nothing in there.
I wouldn't know, man.
Eh? Come here, Lisa. My school shop. Nobody knows me. I kill
Come, you are a school as you must behave properly. Okay. Miss, you see bag?
Nobody know my bag, man. Where you want my bag for?
Must look where the police are.
Me no want to look like anything in there.
No, you don't want to.
No want to look. I'm not in my bag for nobody.
Here you go, man.
I'm not going in there. You see, you're not looking there. You just want to open it for something. Yes, me my time right in one thing. Yes, me my time already. I just know what's about to arrest people again. Eh? That's why people don't like
Come look, come on. Nobody give you anything? Anybody put anything in the bag? Okay. Anybody put anything in the bag? Anybody put anything in the bag? Hello? Come here, young lady.
I'm going to take my right. Too little ticket. Honest, intelligence.
Thank you. Anybody put anything in the bag, Anybody give anything to put in your bag? Okay. All right. Can you see in your bag, please? Miss, step off the box.
Join that service.
I'm cut me soon up. You hear me say? You ask a civilian to search me. You can't search me.
Miss, let me search. Let me get a look at your bag.
You ask a woman to search me.
Miss,
Don't go in my bag.
Miss, don't assault me. Do not assault me, young lady.
Sorry.
Can't go in my bag, you know. You're not supposed to search a woman bag, you know.
They that assault themselves shall be at base.
You're idiot, man. You're idiot.
And just for the record, miss.
You're supposed to ask a woman to go in my bag.
No, she.
Supposed to go in my bag.
Just for the record, you are being videoed, you hear, miss? So,
boisterous behavior,
and you assault me and call me an idiot. I have you on video.
Say you're idiot.
I have you here, I have everybody else here. No, you don't look good to... No, No, I don't need them to be witness. I don't need them.
Me see them kill people and it they on video on phone and the people and them not got free.
Talk loud, man. Talk in front of the camera.
In a response. In a response.
They say the police are idiots several times. That's abusive language,
I don't know abusive language. You don't know abusive language.
Okay.
I already all of the bus. You sign on my bag. You sign up in there. Just like how who they found food to work. Not idiot. I look at me that work. And you come again to come on a bad mind. On a wicked. I can say them empty.
I like how police.
Bad man are wicked.
Join that vehicle for me now, miss.
Step inside the self. Alright, come.
When I'm done, never soon.
Yes, man.
Come.
Until then,
Come.
join the vehicle, man.
Pull up the bus and make the bus empty
Join that
again.
vehicle for me now,
And
miss.
people forgot.
Please.
So go on now. Are you to lead the way, idiot? Are you to lead the way? Which way you coming for drive? The one that drive?
Police
We're not idiot?
Is that you go by a wheel? Or you go by
Which vehicle coming for drive?
The
Which
police vehicle there?
Saying I lead the way. Lead the way. Lead the way.
I dictate the case now.
Lead the way now. I mean to lead the way. I want to lead me. Me to follow one for the behind me. You don't know nothing.
Please. Okay, Miss Police.
I want to lead me. I want to be behind me.
Okay, follow me, ma'am.
Not idiot. Not idiot.
Oh, man. Ah, what's up?
Give me back too. Don't put nothing in there. Give me back.
Driver, thank you for your cooperation. You may go. Alright, citizens, thank you for your cooperation. You may go.
Viewers and subscribers, you see what me I go say right now? A lot of persons are going to disagree with what I say, and a lot of persons are going to agree with what I'm about to say. You see me? Whenever police officers are do them work or them are do them job as it is, you see me? Just let them do them job. Comply with the law. You get what I say to you? Alright, for you know you're clean and you know you don't have nothing where any form of problem or so forth, just take it easy and make them do them thing. You see me? Now the first thing, right, after we do what me just said, the first thing I gonna say is respect them police officers there for how them do them work. Them not use no brute force. Me no see them disrespect nobody, they not lick nobody. You get what I say to you? A lot of time me see where there is police officers you know, deal with some people some ways where people have to say John no star, but this one didn't even deal with it certain way. And the fact of it is that him himself make sure him record that one himself. You understand me? He make sure him record this one himself. Right? Alright, cool. Now, when the police officers are do them job and you say, yo, you not do this and you not do that, right? Alright, fine. Just hypothetically, me I go say, suppose the police officers say, you know what? Me I go allow them, yeah, man, because guess what? These people say them not do this and they not do that, and you know, them say them are good citizens, and them allow you to go with the bus and that's whoever. You see me? I'm no gone, right? You might be surprised that the same bus where them let go, there is somebody on that bus that is doing illegal activities like murdering and all these things. You get what I say to you? And then at the end of the day, you might be surprised to see that the same person with that police officer Lego is the same person who might hurt you or somebody for you or somebody you know, right? No, it's not like you're going to be a mind reader or you can travel through time or anything like that for you to know so that is the person who did the panic bus, you know. But we live in a very small world. That's our next thing too. You see me? So me I try to explain to you so that the police officers them are do their job, mean them are try to keep the crime down in Jamaica. So let them do their jobs. Alright? See the other day, the police officers them are do them state of emergency thing and the conditions where them are do them state of emergency work, and it's stressing where them, you know, the portable toilets and all these things. Some of them don't have that, some of them don't have shelter and all these things. So them jobs kinda hard too, right? Now, with all of what I just saying, I mean, a lot of persons are gonna say, boy, Skilla, you're different police and police this and police that. You have to understand, brother. You see, if, you see me, Me not just say brother. When me say brother, I mean, you know, it's just a figure of speech. But you have to understand what I say. You see, without the police officers, there would be so much things going on that you yourself would not like the outcome of it. You understand? So it would have come in like how you say you can't live without a person and you can't live with a person. So it's a 50-50. 6 or 1.5 dozen of the other. Alright, it's a give and take. But however, when they're doing them job like this, let them do them job. Alright? So the police officers detained a lady, or should I say they arrested a lady, right? And what are the reasons them are going to do this to her? Is it because of her failing to comply, or is it because she called the police officers idiots, right? The question I ask is it that the police officers are right to do what them do, or is it that they are wrong with what them do when them arrest this lady? You see me I say, that's why I leave it with you, my viewers and subscribers, to tell me what you think. Alright? Alright, so big up to everybody, big up to the lady, big up to the police officers, and big up to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave in the comments, let me know what you think. My name is SeArChiNG. Big up on yourself. You see it? Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?
Dancehall SeArChiNG.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall SeArChiNG.